Hello, this is Kathy. I own Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, an award-winning green certified cleaning business here in the Poconos, Pennsylvania. And I wanted to touch upon a little bit of how you can use social media to enhance your sales, bring in more customers, more clients, and get more exposure. I have a Facebook page, I have an Instagram page, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, so check those out. And I also have a YouTube page. What I love about all three of them is how many people you can connect with. And we all know the power of social media and how great it is, but we need to know how to use it good, how to use it for our benefits. I personally like sharing tips. I like sharing humor, jokes. I'm an easygoing person, so I like to share things on my page that other people may then share themselves. Because if somebody is sharing a picture I put up, or a joke, or an article, or something related to cleaning or the environment or things that I'm passionate about, or essential oils or things that I like, and then they share it, it's usually attached with my Facebook name. So then that person somewhere else is seeing my Facebook name. So then I'm getting even more exposure through somebody else sharing it. So that's one way that it helps to get my business name out there. I like doing hashtags on Instagram. Hashtags are when you do like those little pound things and you put another word after it. So I find it better to do hashtags that are in relationship to your business. So mine is green cleaning, that's my cat, green cleaning, non-toxic cleaning. So I put those hashtags. I'll put hashtags green clean, eco-friendly, Poconos, Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, hashtag earth, hashtag oils, hashtag whatever it is that pertains to my business or pertains to that picture that I'm putting up, hashtag it. I believe you're allowed to up to 30 hashtags. So you use those hashtags to your benefit, because then when someone goes on Instagram and keys in Earth Day and you use a hashtag with Earth Day, your picture is going to pop up. So you're going to get exposure that way. I then like to copy those hashtags and then put them on my Facebook picture that I put on Facebook as well, on my business page. Because again, those hashtags, and when somebody goes on Facebook search and puts in non-toxic cleaning, boom, my stuff's going to come up. So there are ways that you can build more exposure to your page. Sharing topics that are in relationship to your business or things that make you happy, professional related, funny, whatever suits your personality, but is also in line with your business and something that people would like to share themselves. Instagram with the hashtags. Use those Instagram hashtags over to Facebook. Share your Facebook page on your personal page. And groups, Facebook groups. If you're a mom and you're in a mom group, ask the admins of the group if there's like a spammy wet day that people can post their business. A lot of groups do that like once a week. So put your link on that day with your logo, with a picture with your logo, explaining what you do on that spammy day. If it's a mom group, if it's a dad group, if you're in a knitting club, ask them if you could post on there. If you live in a gated community, see if there's a local gated community group you can be in. Whatever groups you personally like, or that can be work related. Let's say your business is painting. You're a house painter and you have a house painting business, and you join local small business groups in your area. Ask them if you can advertise your painting thing on there. Share your knowledge. If you have a painting business and somebody's asking about painting questions on a Facebook page, share your information. If you can't make it spammy that day, if you can't let me give a plug of my business, just share your information just to share it. Because that's a great thing to do, is just to share your knowledge. And when people see that you know what you're talking about and that you're nice enough to share your knowledge, they're going to want to follow your page to see what else you have to share and what other new topics or any updates or, whatever you have to say. So those are just some really great ways to have the internet help you with your business, to help you grow, and attract the right clients or the clients that you're wanting to attract, and just to kind of steer your way through the World Wide Web. And, at the end of the day, the world is small and we're all in it together. And if we could just help and share, help each other out, it's a beautiful thing. And I'm a firm believer of what you put out, you'll get back. So obviously as business owners, we want to make money. That's the whole concept of it. But we also want to leave a good footprint on the earth, right? We want to do good and be good and share our knowledge and be paid for it. So there are ways that we can, work our business in a good, happy way and help others. And Facebook and Instagram are two of the ways that I love using. So those are just some of my tips. So like I said, follow my page, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, Instagram, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and YouTube, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns or want to see any more videos and you have a specific topic, shoot me a message and I'll work on that. Peace.